I'm starting to get hungry, so I am going to make a tinfoil dinner. Little salt, pepper, a little pork jowl bacon on there, green onion, and a whole bunch of cilantro. Alrighty. Oh, I think the rain eased up. I'm gonna make a fire. Hear it sizzling in there. And the fire is drying my pants out. Look at that. There we go. I forgot to bring a fork, so I made some chopsticks. That is smelling like it's ready. That smells good. Oh, that sweet potato is so good. Oh, that was good. To roast a marshmallow. Oh, that was good.